Let's see how you did with your valence counting. Make sure that you only counted boron as having 3, and then 7 times 3 is 21, so that gives you 24 electrons. Carbon has 4, boron has 7, 7 times 4 is 28, plus 4 is 32. Nitrogen is 5, chlorine is 7 times 3 is 21, is 26. And then water, 1 times 2, oxygen 8, that's oxygen 6, that's 8. Pause a minute, I'm going to let you just double check all of yours against these numbers. And if you got something different, just pause and go back and look at the math and see how that math compares. And this one I wanted to review because we have some charges in here. And in some cases, we have a few extra elements. Make sure you notice that there's a total of 4 hydrogens in that compound. So you would need 14. But remember, if you're positive, you're positive because you've lost an electron. So the molecule is now positive because it doesn't have a negative charge to balance it. So you subtract 1. If it's a plus 1, or if it's a plus 2, you would subtract 2 from the total. So this was making 9, but minus 1 is 8. And then oxygen, 6 times 2 is 12. So NO3, so N is 5, O is 6 times 3, which is 18. Notice that the positive charge means we've got an extra electron. We're counting electrons, so we're adding the extra electron in. We get 24. 16, 18. And check these. If you have an older version of the notes, you may not have seen that that was supposed to be positively charged. Make sure that you've got matches that match all of these numbers. And if you've gotten them all right, then that means you are a pro at this. Make sure before lab, you're going to go ahead and mark in all your valence electrons on the lab sheet. That'll save you a lot of time. And we'll get to structures in the next video.